Hello everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today is going to be all about you guys and y'all that sent beautiful cards to me. I am always so appreciative when somebody wants to send me a card. That's just awesome. Sometimes people send even more than that, which is so much appreciated. Not necessary, but very appreciated. Cards are always just a total win. And I love it. It's, you know, being a card maker myself, obviously, I know that these take time. It takes time to make a card and to be thought of, and then to send that to somebody is, you know, I don't know, it's incredible. I love it. All right, so let's jump into it. This is a whole stack of cards. These come from, well, this one's obviously from December, but it was, didn't show up into my house until well after January. So, because I think it got lost in the mail, but I do want to show it. So these are basically January through right now, so through mid-May, almost the whole half of a year. So there's a lot of cards here. So grateful for each one of them. So I want to give each one of them the time they deserve. So let me talk about them. This one's from Anya. This one is from the Netherlands. So I felt so awful when she said, "Did you get my card?" And it never showed up. And then it finally did. So I love this. It is so, so cute. She has this beautiful embossing on that background. It's like the debossing. So she did it right into her panel. And then she has this beautiful stamped like Volkswagen bus along with your presents and your tree. I love it. And then we have the Merry Christmas. And that just makes me happy. I love it. I'm ready for Christmas now, even though it just finally started getting warm, right? All right, this next one is from Denise. Very, very clever. When I say you all are talented, I'm blown away. But this is a 6x6 card, but it pops out. As you can tell, there is some folding that goes on here. And the RV there yet. I mean, y'all know we like to camp. So this is just so fitting. And I believe this is from Lawn Fawn. But let me show you, if I get her permission, I think I want to try to do one of these in a live because I think this would be so fun. But yeah, it uses pattern paper. How fun is this? And then you've just got this, it folds right back down. Fits beautifully into a 6x6 envelope. How fun is that? Yeah, so I was super stoked to get that. I think that's fun. Very creative, very creative. And so I love that. All right. Then we have another one from Denise, and it is a beautiful, like clean and simple. Love the blending on it and the silhouette stamping. It's just stunning. Very pretty. Next, we have one from Tracy, and this one is a new house card. I just love that. I'm not sure who this is by, like this. I think it might be Honeybee, but I could be wrong. But look at the fun detail. I mean, even down to the cute little wreath on the front door. It's just precious. And there's tiny little flowers, and each of those tiny little flowers has a dot of white in the center too. So it's so cute. I love it so much. And I just think that's so fun. All right, we have another one from Tracy. So you saw Tracy had this beautiful die cut one, but now you can see that she knows how to color. So I love that. This beautiful St. Patrick's Day card with the beautiful coloring. And then not only that, but she has used like a Wink of Stella or a Spectrum Noir pen over the shamrocks. And I just think it's sweet. So sweet. Very sweet. Then we have an Easter one from Tracy. Check that out. That little image makes my heart so happy. I just think it's darling. She even has some little carrot embellishments back there. For each of the Easter eggs, she put some like glitter accents over the top. And this cute little scene is made with the little gate and everything. Darling. Love it. And there's even a little bunny on the inside as well. How cute. Then we have this beautiful one from Laura. I love this. So we've got a fantastic Easter card with some gorgeous blending. I like how we go from the blue to the purple to the pink down to the yellow, and it looks like those mesh together to get you this beautiful, like almost like a salmon color, coral color, beautiful. And then she colored Jesus with some markers and popped him up. I think that's great. And then we have the He's Alive, all heat embossed. That is beautiful. I love that. And Laura, she also sent this darling little, check that out. Her husband made that. Isn't that neat? Very clever. And that's like goes over the top. If you haven't seen me use it yet, it goes over the MISTI to help you to get some good even pressure. Check this out. This one's from Kim. Kim made me a birthday card, and you know, I know how much time a lot of these take, and so that's why I wanted to show these, because I know that, I mean, check that out, all that beautiful Copic coloring, and I love how she keeps a lot of those harsh lines in there, and then she covered her little berries with some like glossy accents, and then even the cupcakes have a beautiful glitter on them. So there's a lot, and it just is stunning, and I like how it's kind of rainbow order. So pretty. So pretty. Then we have this one for my birthday. This is from Amy Beth, and she also sent me some earrings. She's talented. I'll have to have her. She's got, it looks like she must have her own store, so maybe I will have that link down below if I can remember to do that. But check it out. Hooray, it's your day. How fun is that? Love it. I think that might be from Concord and Ninth. I think I've seen that before. So there's that one. Then we have another one from Laura. This one is so pretty. Check out the texture on the roof. I'm not sure what she used to get that, but on one part it's like glittery, and then the other it's like she almost did twice, like did it, I don't know. It's just so cool. There's so much beautiful texture. I don't know if you can see that in there. So part of it is glittery, and then the other part of it is like just shiny. So it's neat. And then the word home, it looks like it's on watercolor paper. That's what it feels like anyway. It has a good texture to it. And then she colored over the top. But check out the windows. There's actual acetate behind the windows. How cool is that? And then we have this beautiful like basket weave for the door and the planters. We have some fun grass along with the little white picket fence. And the chimney even has smoke coming out of it. How cool is that? Beautiful. Next we have this one from Sierra from Canada. How pretty is that? Beautiful gold embossed, and then it looks like it's watercolored. She's very talented. And lots of beautiful splatter. And that might be a part of the stamp though, I'm not 100% sure. And then I love all the stitching detail, and then the gems just set it apart, but it's really, really pretty. And nice and shimmery too. Oof, love it. And then this one, Amanda from Pear Blossom Press, is a mini slimline, and it looks to me like she did some no-line watercoloring, basically. Or she stamped it with the gray and then watercolored around that, but it almost looks like it's no-line. I think that's pretty. And then her congrats is several stacked up, so it looks like a chipboard look. And then I love the little stripes that she has. But isn't that fun? So pretty. So talented. And then this one Tracy sent. Check it out. It's a Siamese. I love it. This stamp just makes my heart happy. Oh, I love that. And then all the little fun detail. It looks like she colored with colored pencil. And then we've got some little glossy accents, maybe some Nuvo to get some of that glittery bits. And then we've got this fun embossed background, and then even some little heart embellishments. That is cute. All right, and this one. This is from Annette, and I am just blown away by all that went into this one, because it's this beautiful, basically almost flat 6x6 card, right? It's a gatefold, so we'll take off the belly band, and then we open it up. My name is in there, but you get this to stand up by doing this. That is so cool. And then it lays virtually flat. I mean, there's obviously a little bit of bulk because there's so many flowers, but check it out. Oh my gosh, I just can't even believe that. Like, I want to learn how to make it, but that looks so involved. And it's so beautiful. And beautiful colors too. Oh, very talented. Y'all just blow me away. And then our last one is from Kim again. Check it out, slimline. And this is so cute. Not a daisy goes by that I don't think of you. It's so sweet. And then it looks like she either used maybe a cutting plate, but she used it to emboss the background, which is super clever. That might be what she did. I'm not 100% sure, but I really love that. And then there's lots of gorgeous splatter on there. Her little bees all have some glossy accents on them. And then she even added some jewels, but she does it again with that Copic coloring. All right. All right, y'all, that is what I have. I am just blown away by y'all's talent. And, you know, as I get cards next time, I will absolutely do this again. But check it out. So pretty. It's humbling that people would want to even send me cards to begin with. Because I know how, like I said, being a card maker myself, I know how much time goes into all this. And so I'm grateful that I'm thought of, and just grateful to be looking at all these right now. This just makes me happy. So thank you to all y'all that sent them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just being amazing human beings. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.